Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you what we're going to do in this course on direct 3D modeling. Let's launch nanoCAD and get acquainted with the project, which we will consistently recreate. I will open the completed house project, which we will model. nanoCAD provides a variety of ways to help you navigate the workspace of a model when creating and editing it. When the cursor is in the workspace, hold down the mouse scroll wheel to activate the panning mode. Try moving the cursor while holding down the scroll wheel. To activate the window size increase, you can simply double-click on the scroll wheel. Scrolling the mouse will forward causes the image to zoom in smoothly, while scrolling backward causes the image to zoom out. This mode will allow you to move very quickly from one place of the project to another, and it is called zooming. There are also other ways to navigate the project. Use the Saved Views tab to switch between saved project views. You can open any saved view that is offered in the list, and it will move to the previously set screen position. Also, to conveniently change the model point of view, use the locator, which is located in the upper right corner of the workspace. To do this, simply click on the desired area, and the program itself will transfer the point of view. Here you can see that all the work takes place in 3D. It is also convenient to use the 3D Orbit command or keyboard shortcuts for 3D navigation. Hold down the Shift key and press the scroll wheel. This command activates the rotation of the view in 3D space, in which movement is performed only in horizontal and vertical orbits. The whole modeling process takes place in an orthogonal projection, that is, parallel. However, you can always display the 3D model in orthogonal or perspective mode by selecting the desired mode on the View tab in the Navigate group. Let's get acquainted with some more commands that are in this group: 3D Walk and 3D Fly. The Fly command is designed for navigation through a 3D model in perspective projection and flyby mode. To perform a fly, press and hold down the key corresponding to the desired direction. By pressing the plus or minus keys once, you can increase or decrease the step and, accordingly, the speed of movement. The Walk command is similar to the 3D Fly command and is designed to navigate through a 3D model in perspective projection and walk mode parallel to the z-plane as 0 in the current coordinate system. It is possible to change the height for a subsequent walk at a new height. The only difference is that the size of the displacement step is called the walk step. The current step value set for the fly is valid for both the fly and the walk. Now let's start creating a project from scratch. On the Quick Access toolbar at the top, click on the New button. If you are working with the standard nanoCAD template, then you should have a clean file opened and placed in the Document Bookmarks area next to the conceptualcottage.dwg. The first two tabs can be closed without saving. Next, save the project in a place convenient for you and name the file house. And let's get to work.